Absorbs up to a liter of water. Machine washable for easy cleaning. Tie and tether to keep it within reach. Ideal for all types of kayaking. Works well for removing sand from hatch rims. Ideal for all types of kayaking. Works well for removing sand from hatch rims. Allows you to stay on the water longer. Top reviews from the United States. A useful tool for kayakers. As a kayaker, I often deal with water dripping off of my paddle into my sit-on kayak. It's not the end of the world, but it's nice to keep a sponge on board so that you can soak it up and not sit in water while paddling. It works almost too well. The water just disappears and it's all contained in this absorbent water pillow. The thing I use it for that most people often wouldn't think of, is to soak up some lake water and wipe down my kayak before I load it onto the car. The sponge itself holds so much water, it's crazy how easy it is to rinse it off. Also, I use it to run some water on my feet before slipping on my shoes. Makes a big difference, this thing. I wish it weren't so pricey, but it was worth the buy. I would most definitely recommend this product to any boating enthusiast, even larger boats. Keep a couple on board for rinsing on the water. A handy tool.